So it is my second day going out snowboarding, and I am a cotton-headed mini muggins and forgot the little screw in for the little tripod handle I have. So I'm just gonna have to hold this with my hand the whole time. Don't think that's gonna work out too well, but yeah, honestly today I'm already sweating and I haven't even done anything. I might just take off my jacket and leave it in a locker and just go in this sweater, which I may regret later in the day, but I am so hot already. I haven't put my goggles on yet because I find them annoying, but it's so much busier today. Like when I first came, I was one of the few people on the mountain. Now it's definitely a lot more crowded. It's not the worst I've ever been in. I've been to Park City in peak season where going down the mountains is like being on the freaking 405 freeway. It's ridiculous. But like I was saying, I don't even think I'm gonna put my jacket on. Honestly, I probably should have gotten a locker. I'm on the lift right now and it's like perfect temperature. I don't even have gloves on and I'm fine. Like that's pretty magical actually. And I love this. I love this weather. It's so beautiful up here today. Oh my gosh, he's barking at the red monkeys. Juzo. 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 Let's not bark at the monkeys. Those things will like kill you. No, no, no. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that just happened. Oh yeah, you do your yoga. He's still pissed about those monkeys. Juzo, come on. You're getting so wet. Come on. Juzo, they're gone. Come on. Come on.